What's going on, everybody? And if you are an accountant looking to grow your business, but you're struggling to figure out why or how, and are you going to actually do this without only relying on word of mouth, referrals, or the inconsistent sources of leads that every once in a while will come through? In this video, I'm going to walk through a step-by-step process that I would call the next level marketing method to essentially help you grow your business at scale and leverage your time so that every time you bring on new business, you don't have to worry about how am I going to service this business and also still be out there networking, drumming up business, and spending your valuable time doing that. So I'm going to help you show you exactly how to generate business and leads and convert those with using leverage provided from the next level marketing method. And if you don't know me already, my name is Jonathan DeLeon. I've had over 17 years of experience in digital marketing, working with some of the biggest brands in the US, making millions of dollars for them. And now I'm here starting this channel to help educate and elevate businesses to that next level. And so with that, let's get into the video. All right, awesome. So you should be seeing my screen now. And what I'm going to do is walk you through the step-by-step method, reviewing the old method that typically people understand on how to grow a business on social media, and compare it to the newest method, which I'm calling the next level marketing method. So how to grow your business as an accountant on social media. And I will show you how you can use this model to make $1 million guaranteed. So let's go. All right. So this is the old method, right? So let me see if I can present this. This is the old method. Essentially, you would have organic content. So this side right here. Organic content is like posting on social media. So Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you're just posting, right? Sometimes the posts on Facebook, especially as a local business and a local accountant, you're posting, hey, I'm an accountant, book a call with me. Hey, did you know accounting can help you save money? Book a call with me. Basically what you're doing is you're pitching for the call all the time. Which, hey, we get busy as business owners, you get super busy, right? But doing organic content that way is not providing any value to anyone other than somebody who may already be problem aware and may have that need, which at that point, yeah, you could inconsistently pick up business. However, there's also another aspect on social media, which is called paid. These are those advertisements or the sponsored ads that you'll see on Facebook, essentially saying, hey, buy this, buy this, buy this. And you don't even know the person, but yet they're selling you and pitching you all these things. And so what the old method is, people would typically from essentially on the Facebook platform or the Instagram platform, advertise their business services on social media for people to book a call saying, hey, XYZ business, are you looking for accounting services? If so, click the link below and book a call with me, right? Simple, right? However, it's just not as effective in today, 2025 and beyond, because we know that ever since COVID, ever since all these things have happened, we know that in online business or doing marketing online, the trust is as low as it's ever been, ever. So what does that mean? That means if you do the things that worked in the past in today's environment, it just won't work for you as well. And so that's why I come up with the next level marketing method. All right. So this is what I would say. Same thing. Social media, organic and paid. Essentially, let's talk about the organic side first. So you want to post valuable content daily so that not only the algorithm understands that you are a producer for the platform, but you are providing people an opportunity to know, like, and trust you. Because first of all, if you don't post, nobody can know about you. Second of all, if you are inconsistent, why would anybody trust that you are consistent? And then third of all, how can somebody like you and like the things that you're doing if they don't even know what you're doing? So one, you have to post valuable content, not just, hey, buy this, sell this, do this, that, the other. It's like, hey, did you know and that the big beautiful bill just came out, and then you can do X with the particular, this particular depreciation asset, and if you have this depreciation asset, you should do this right now, because whether you use me or not, you should do it. Right? That's a great opportunity to basically create value from the knowledge that you already acquired as an accountant. Essentially, the organic content that I recommend is essentially giving away the things, the value, the information that you would typically charge for. So you would typically charge for all this information, but in today's day and age, we've had Google for a long time. Now we have AI. So information is at everyone's fingertips. So let's stop trying to hoard and protect this proprietary information, but instead help people solve. Like, you can help people. The way that you show people how you can help them is by actually helping them. So if you want to build trust and you want to, you can help someone and you want them to believe you can help them, then help them with the content you create. And that's the organic side of the method and strategies that I use. And I support my clients on actually building that out for them consistently, effortlessly. Okay, on the paid side, this is the advertising side. Equally as effective, still today in 2025. Essentially, you want to submit advertisements to introduce your solution and offer. And I'm going to talk about this in more detail, but you're not going to pitch them for a call. Right? We want to pitch them. We don't even want to pitch them. We want to invite them to an online event. This event could be paid or it could be non-paid. A free event. For example, if I said, hey everybody, my name is Jonathan and I am running a masterclass right now where we're going to walk through exactly the 5 biggest mistakes that accountants and bookkeepers make today in 2025 that is keeping them from $1 million a year. And if you fix these mistakes, there is a high likelihood you will be very successful. So if you want to be involved with that and you want to get an invite to that, we're going to be hosting it this day. Just click the link below and register. It's completely complimentary and we only have 100 seats. So book your seat now. Right? What did I just do? I just told you that I'm inviting you to an event that I'm hosting and that there is a method that is protecting or that's going to prevent people from making mistakes and making my audience mistakes. And so that's an actual masterclass that I'm going to be hosting. So if you want an invite to that, just comment down below. But essentially, you want to invite them to the live event. When they register for your live event and go to your live event, they register to your event all with a page, a special page, a registration page. We can help you support by building that if you need. But they register for your event. On the event, this is your opportunity to really go time on brand. It's like, imagine you having a 1-hour conversation one-on-one. Now you can have 100 people, and that's a one-to-many conversation, one-to-one. So what you want to do is you want to understand that you have this opportunity to build a reputation and build a brand for yourself and really showcase who you are and what kind of services you can actually provide. And this should not be a sales call. This should be literally answering and solving the problems and answering the solutions in such a way that it's so valuable that somebody should really wonder, hey, if they're giving all this away to me for free, what would happen if I actually paid them? Because that's the kind of feeling, that's the kind of creativity, that's the kind of vibe that will create an atmosphere where people want to buy. We're no longer selling. We got to stop selling, stop pitching, all of it. Essentially, we're going to spend that next 45 to 60 minutes providing valuable solutions to the problems that my target market has, where they're going to stay there and watch that whole entire thing. And on top of that, here's a bonus. It can be recorded. And when it's recorded, now you can actually build this thing to go on your social media, go on your platforms, go on content, go on your website, all of it. All right. So once they're there, then we invite them afterwards by saying, hey, if this was as valuable as it was for me, if you found this as valuable, give me a 1 in the chat. Give me a 2 in the chat, right? Give me a wave. Give me a fire emoji if you found this super valuable. Okay, great. Well, if you'd like to take your step to the next level, is just booking a call with me. So I'm going to paste the link right there in the chat. If you have any questions, I'll stay on the call right now to talk, but I'm pasting the link in the chat. Book a call with me at your desired time, and I would love to learn more about your business and to see if there's any way we can actually help you. What did I just do? I actually just, instead of saying book a call, I said, hey, was this valuable? Yes. Okay, great. I would like to invite you to have more value with me, 1-to-1, where we're going to sit on a call and we're going to talk about your business. I'd like to learn more. And that's an invitation. People like invitations. Imagine, when's the last time you went to a party that you had an invitation versus went to a party that you didn't have an invitation? You want to go to the one with the invitation because it just feels better. You should be there, right? Anyways, when you invite them to book a call, they book a call, and then you go hop on the call and you make your sale, right? This is where you basically convert your own sales process, your own pitch deck, your own XYZ, whatever offer is that you're providing, whether it's accounting services, whether it's like a one-time audit, whether it's like a financial readiness, whatever it is, you make the sale. All right. So, this is the breakdown. Next level marketing method, $1 million business breakdown. So, $1 million in a year equates or equals about $83,000 per month. If you have a customer lifetime value as an accounting firm, the clients stay for a lifetime value of about $20,000, and you spend $3,000 on ads, and you, as well as provide that valuable content, because what's the thing that people do? They go to the ad, they go to the page, they look around. If they like what they see, they're going to do more, right? So you should be doing both, not just one. You should do both. Spend $3,000 in ads at $30 cost per registration, which would equal you getting about 100 new registrations for your event. If you had a conservative 5% conversion rate on those 100 people who actually went to your event, then you would have 10 conversions. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. This isn't even 20,000. So yes, 10 conversions. If you had a 10,000, here, let me change this number. There you go. I was actually even being better. But let's just say you had a $10,000 lifetime value. 10 sales times $10,000 equals $100,000. So if you had a 20,000, all you would need is 5. If you had a $10,000 lifetime value, all you would need is 10. Which 10 sales at $10,000 each is $100,000 per client, and that's $100,000 per month, which would equal more than $1 million per year. And so the greatest thing about this entire process is it's repeatable. You do this all the time. You can make this as seamless and effortless as possible. And I know how to do that. If you want to know more, comment down below. I'd like to send you a video on that. Or you can just do it on the paid side as well. And if you need help with that, we do that every day, all day, and we're getting leads for our clients as well. So this is the conversion mechanism. This is the awareness mechanism. This is how people are going to find out about your event. This is how people are going to convert. And this is how you're going to make a sale. This is the next level marketing method. The old method is, this is where people are going to find out about your business, and this is where people are going to make a sale. This is where people are going to find out about your business, and this is where people are going to make a sale. It is no longer effective to do the old method because it's been done way too many times. People don't trust many people. They meet for the first time. But if you provide value, and then you invite them to an event that's super valuable, and then you invite them to book a call for even more value, you know the idea of yes, 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 and sales? It's like, yes, on the valuable content, I'll go to the event. Yes, book a call. Yes, make a sale. Because you've shown that you can actually solve their problem by actually solving their problem. And so that's exactly what I would say the next level marketing method is. So with that, once again, my name is Jonathan Delian. And if you found this valuable, please click the links below. I'm going to be hosting an event myself, or don't go to the event and just book a one-to-one with me. I would like to learn more to provide better understanding and better support on how to actually help your business. And if that's too much, just comment down below a topic, marketing topic, any kind of topic. We do webs. I mean, I've had experience doing websites, making $1 million for my clients, various kinds of things. If there's something that you are struggling with as an accountant in your business, then comment down below. I will make a video on it. Okay? That's my deal to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, I'm trying to make this channel as useful and as beneficial as possible to help elevate and grow businesses. So thank you so much for your time. Jonathan Delian, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.